This is Dr. Aarti Bakshi. Welcome to Learning Skills for Life. We're working on Grade 4, Chapter 6. And now we're working on SMART goals. SMART is an acronym, so we break it up. S for specific, M measurable, A action-oriented, R realistic, T time-bound. Now imagine that you're looking up to somebody and there's somebody, a role model, and you say, I want to be just like them. Now that's a goal. Is it specific? Like, what part of it do you wish to be like them? Do you want to be as kind as them? Can kindness be measured? So you need to check that out. Or you may say, I would do 2 good deeds a day. Now that is measurable. And the moment I say a day, that's time bound. It's realistic. If I say I will do 20 good deeds a day, now that's not really realistic. Is it action oriented? Of course, when you do those things, you've achieved the goal. So let's go ahead on this learning journey of making SMART goals. We make them soon and we achieve them. Welcome aboard.